Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kristian Martinez, and welcome to Wallace Branch Library's 12 Days of Christmas Craft. And today we'll be making a snowflake, and I'll be showing you exactly how to do so. So first, you'd like to get you a white cardstock piece of paper, maybe. And then you can go ahead and draw a circle on it. Now, the circle doesn't have to be perfect. As you can see, mine's look more like a oval. And then what you want to do is go ahead and cut this one out. Cut from any direction. So when you got your circle out, what you do next is go ahead and fold it over. So fold it from any direction like this. Then fold it again from the middle, like this. Then fold it again, as much as you can. Trying to make sure it's all pointed down. So then what next you want to do is get some scissors and cut out any type of design in it. So you can start from the top. Then what I want you to do next is just open it. And now you got your very own snowflake. After completing your snowflake, what you could do is go ahead and put a little string on it like so. You get tied up in here. And there you have it. You got your very own Christmas snowflake. Why don't you go ahead and hang this up on your Christmas tree when you get a chance. Thank you for tuning in for Wallace Branch Library, 12 Days of Christmas Crafts. Why don't you go ahead and tune in to the next day. Thank you. Have a nice day.